Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take your profile picture off TikTok. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok account. After that, what you want to do is click on your profile. After that, click on Edit Profile. Now, if you click on Change Photo, there won't be any option that shows you to remove your profile picture. So, alternatively, what you can do is download a default profile picture from your Google and upload it right here. As I have already downloaded, you can download it too and upload it by clicking Save. That's how you can take your profile picture off TikTok. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.